guys, I'm Chris Whitty from Real Avid. I want to go through with you some of our new products for 2019. Okay, so this is the Glock 4-in-1 tool. Pretty much every Glock owner should have one of these in their pocket or in their range bag. So what it includes: front side adjuster, snap out, also hex head, very small for adjusting aftermarket rear sights. A small flat screwdriver can be used for a small screwdriver or prying loose trigger groups, that type of thing. And the other one is a 3/32 pin punch, and all of them go right back into the case, so they're all spring loaded. The 4-in-1 Glock tool for Glock.